Now we're going to talk about data types in Elixir. Elixir offers a rich set of data types that are fundamental to programming. Let's start with integers and floats in Elixir. In Elixir, we can assign integer values using the standard notation. Here, we assign the value of 25 to the variable age. Similarly, we can assign float values. Here, we assign the value of 1.75 to the variable height. Next, let's explore booleans. Booleans represent the truth values true and false. In Elixir, we can assign these values to variables. Here, we assign true to the variable is true and false to the variable is false. Moving on, let's now work with strings. In Elixir, we can assign text values to variables using double quotes. Here, we assign the string hello Elixir to the variable greeting, and we assign the string Alice to the variable name. Now, let's explore atoms in Elixir. Atoms are constants whose names are their own values. In Elixir, atoms are denoted by a colon followed by the atom name. Here, we assign the atom OK to the variable status. Next, let's talk about lists. Lists in Elixir are collections of elements enclosed in square brackets. Here we assign a list of numbers into the variable numbers. Now let's explore tuples. Tuples are ordered collections of elements enclosed in curly braces. Here we assign a tuple representing a person's information to the variable person. Lastly, let's work with maps. Maps in Elixir are key value pairs enclosed in percent and then curly braces. Here we assign a map representing user information to the variable user. Right, and that concludes data types in Elixir. We've covered integers, floats, booleans, strings, atoms, lists, tuples, and maps. Understanding these data types is crucial for effective programming in Elixir.